for me, buy me hurry. I say, oh, yeah. I like your style, and you know this. Other than busting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In this video, I will be showing you how I transfer my hair from straight to real nice wand curls. It's a very easy method. I'll be using the Remington curling wand, which I got from Amazon, and my Paul Mitchell smoothing skinny serum, which helps to maintain frizz. When curling the hair, I do twist the hair around the curling wand. I find this to make the curls more defined, and when I do drop the curls, I do fluff it out. Fluffing the curls out creates more volume, so I tend to do that a lot. So throughout this video, I'm just going to do the same thing all over my head, and you guys will kind of see, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what other videos you guys would like to see, and thank you for all the love that you guys have been showing me. I really do appreciate it. I did forget to mention that the hair used in this video is from Beautyforever. It is Malaysian Body Wave. I have in 3 bundles, 2 20 inches, an 18 inch, and an 18 inch closure.
Stressing me, paging my beat, you're just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messing